Hey everyone, this is Divorce Hack. Let me just make sure. 11. And we're going to talk about life and trauma insurance. Now, trauma insurance is something that not a lot of people have. Most people will have life insurance, but trauma insurance is something that we have if we've got quite a lot of debt. So if you've got a financial advisor, they will normally say if you've got substantial debt. So say in my instance, I've got an investment portfolio. So my financial advisor has said it's really important that I have trauma insurance because just say I break a leg, I get cancer or something like that, we need to make sure that I'm getting an income to be able to pay for my outgoings if I can't work. So that's what trauma insurance. Now, life insurance, as we know, is something that we get if someone passes away. And so part of our superannuation policy normally will have a life beneficiary part of it. Some people will have a separate policy as well. So what you want to do is if you've made you're 100% certain that this relationship is not working and it's over with, make sure that you change the beneficiaries on these policies, because there's been incidents where someone has passed away and the last person that they wanted to receive the money, and this can happen, and I've heard stories of this happening up to 5 to 10 years after a divorce. So people have divorced and they haven't done anything about changing these policies, even to the extent that one man remarried and he never changed the policy, the beneficiary of his policy to be his new wife. And when he passed away, his old wife got all of the money. Could you imagine? It wouldn't go down too well. And if it's not bad enough that the poor man died, his second wife wouldn't be very, very happy with him. So make sure that as part of this journey that you address these policies. It's something that you need to look at and make sure that you're doing something about. So that's that hack.